Good morning, everyone. I hope you are doing well today. Let me ask you a simple question. Have you ever felt tired of trying? Have you ever felt like giving up because things were not going your way? If your answer is yes, then listen carefully because this message is for you. Life is not easy. Success is not easy, and dreams are definitely not easy. But do you know what is easy? Giving up. Anyone can quit. Anyone can stop trying. But only a few people choose to stand up again after falling down. Right now, you might feel stuck. You might feel confused. You might feel like you are not good enough. But let me tell you something very important. You are stronger than you think. Every successful person you admire today was once a beginner. They were once scared. They were once unsure. They failed many times, but they didn't stop. Failure is not the end. Failure is a lesson. Failure is proof that you are trying. Remember this. If you are not failing, you are not growing. Sometimes life will test you. Sometimes people will doubt you. Sometimes even your own mind will tell you, you can't do this. When that happens, don't listen to fear. Listen to your purpose. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. Small steps every day in change your life. Even slow progress is still progress. Stop comparing yourself with others. Your journey is different. Your timing is different. Focus on becoming better than yesterday, not better than someone else. There will be days when you feel motivated, and there will be days when you don't. On those hard days, discipline matters more than motivation. Show up, do the work, even when you don't feel like it. Because dreams don't work unless you do. Believe in your vision, even if no one else does. Believe in your effort, even if results are slow. Believe in yourself, even when it feels difficult. One day, all your hard work will make sense. One day you will look back and say, I'm glad I didn't give up. So promise yourself today, no matter how hard it gets, no matter how long it takes, I will keep going. Because you are capable, you are brave, and your future is waiting for you. Thank you. And never stop believing in yourself.